Yeah, good morning. This is where I'm at this morning. This is what it looks like. Sun is up. It's still pretty dusty over that way. I had the rancher come and check on me. Said he actually called the sheriff because he doesn't normally see vehicles parked in the field like this. It's gonna get worse again. It's gonna get worse again. So I'm like in the middle of nowhere. I'm in a field. Last night was horrible, but I survived. I got some good video on my dash cam. I just uploaded it to my laptop, so when I get somewhere where there's Wi-Fi, I can upload that and show you kind of what I came into. I can't believe it. I left Yuma, Colorado, and it was fairly clear, and it just went right to wow. Sorry about the swearing yesterday. I normally don't swear like that on video. But yeah, this was crazy. And I guess it's not gonna stop for a day or two, but I'm gonna head on up to Sterling, Colorado, and he's told me there's a truck stop up there I probably could park at. So I'm gonna head that way, and then we're gonna continue on. This is Making Memories with Michigan Mills. Thanks for coming along. So the van's warming up, so I told him I'd move on. You know, I'm not hurting anything, but I don't, no sense me sitting out here in the middle of the field. It's not horrible, as bad right now as it was last night. At least I can see. But you can see over there, there's a lot of dust blowing up in the air. A lot of dust back there over by that row of trees. So, and he said it's supposed to pick up and get worse again by 10, 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna get out of here, try to get up to where there's, like I said, a place to stop and be safe. All right, it's about 30 some degrees. I can see my breath. The journey continues. Later, guys. One more look over this way. Yeah, look at the dust. Well, last night it was worse than a blizzard, man. I never seen nothing like it. Not without snow.